Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, let me just get rid of this volumes. Hope you all are doing good. Fresh week, we are starting again. So Friday, what happened after this candle, I entered here at my stop loss immediately. This trade was going good. I made new position here which hit stop loss, but this I booked the profit. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Where will I be buying more position? So if you guys see this, these are two solid touch points. Okay, this and these are two solid touch points, which is a very good place for trend line. Okay, now what is the action? If I get a price of 22,020 and above, that is, it should become bullish and it should respect this trend line. Only then I will be looking forward to buy it, or it should close above 22,160 and above. Then I'll be looking forward to buy it. These are the two scenarios where I'll be interested to buy. Before that I won't, because if in this zone, if it's here, it's gonna act like this. It's definitely gonna act like this. So let's not sell or buy in this zone. Above this zone and below this zone, selling will be very good. In this trend line, definitely you can buy one trade or two trade. We can look forward to buy it, nothing more. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if we see, it is stuck on a sideway market now. So only if it crosses above 47,065 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. For me, the sell level is 46,575 and below. Okay, nothing before that. So that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. US oil, what has happened is this was a very solid trend line which was broken, but the breakout did not survive. It came down, but here because there are so many buyers, what is happening, market is trying to sustain here. Okay, if it breaks below, see anywhere, if it breaks below this swing, we can look forward for a good fall. That is, if it breaks below $80.50 and below, we can look forward for a good fall. Buying only above $80.85, nothing before that. Okay, next is gold. If we see gold, gold is also in the same way, but what happened, this trend line was broken and it was a very good run. From here it has reversed from all-time high. This is panic selling of all-time high. Profit booking has happened. We don't know how far the market's gonna go up, guys. Okay, so what we can do is we can mark these levels as important resistance. Okay, like this level, and this level, we can mark it as important resistance line. And if you see on a 4-hour time frame, this looks like a good candle. This is looks like a good candle. So if it crosses about 2165 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and I'll be booking my profit according to the resistance. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I don't have any swing trading for today. I want to see if the market is really bullish. If it crosses about 22,145 and above, I'll be looking forward for new swing trade positions. And there was one very good trade. Let me show you. This was a trade which I took and it has given a very good profit. So we entered at 553, and now we are sitting at 822. Okay, I entered with a good quantity. Okay, which is giving some good profits now. I'm very happy with that. I hope you guys also entered in this. Many people would have exited because of the negative market, but if you guys see, it was only consolidating here, so there was no use of exiting. Always remember to exit on your stop loss. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was informative for you guys. This is just my view on the market. This is not a tip or a recommendation. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Most probably from next week I'll be adding more strategical videos. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.